right.
Everybody, how are you doing? I'm doing just wonderful. How are you doing? Okay, sounds good. And I also have
Hi guys.
Yeah, I see some posters over here.
Right. No, just fabric scissors. Hi, I'm Sandy.
Hi, I'm Lori.
Hi, I'm Kathy.
And we're the
Technically challenged
table.
sewers. And we break a lot of needles too.
And we're learning a lot.
We're learning a
We're
lot.
having so much
And it's
fun.
not the machine, it's the operator.
Is that what you found out?
Yeah,
Yes?
absolutely.
Yeah. And what do you think of these machines?
Oh, they're awesome. Are you kidding me?
Awesome.
Yeah, you have to have one. Absolutely.
I'm Yvonne Given, and I've driven down to San Marcos, California to take Christopher Nejman and his sewing machine events here, and it's been a wonderful, wonderful experience. I would encourage anybody and everybody to go online to he puts all of his events there. It's probably took me 6 hours to get here, and worth every minute of it. You've just got to see how talented this man is.
Where did you come from?
San Francisco Bay Area, Alamo, California.
All the way down here to San Marcos.
All the way to San
And you
Marcos.
drove down here all by yourself?
Came down by myself in my motorhome.
Well, would you show us this beautiful prize-winning
Oh,
motorhome?
golly, you guys. It's a little messy because I had some things that fell out when I took a corner too quickly.
This is incredible. You drove here all by
All by
yourself to
myself.
see me?
Usually I have my Vespa on the back of it, but I didn't bring it this time. And it's very, very nice.
And this is where you, look at that. This is incredible. This is where you slept.
I
And you
slept
can't.
here last night, and the night before, I was at Mission Bay, going towards San Diego, but San Marcos is gorgeous. I just have to find a place to camp in San Marcos, California. And it is wonderful.
Is that a baby lock embellisher I
Yeah.
see in there? Oh!
I love it. I love it. And I really wish I would have bought my Evolve here. I would have saved probably about $300 plus gotten that free.
Wow. And we're
Just by coming
we're at Sewing Machines Plus.
to Sewing Machines Plus in San Marcos, California.
You know, Yvonne, I want to say thank you so much for driving down. I am really touched and honored.
I will see you next time to see your bags.
I love you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Chris. Thank you.
Thank you.
Baby lock.
And I really am enjoying this machine. I really like how it works and how well it sews the metallic thread, which has always been something I've cussed at and hated to work with. I have used the embellisher before a little bit, but you've taught me a couple of things that I didn't know before because I didn't have any real lessons in how to use it, and so I've just been playing with it. And it's really, really been an enjoyable experience. I've pretty much caught up with the class.
You did. I mean, you came in here and just like, and I didn't even realize she was new. I thought she was here all morning. And the only thing that got me wondering was when you were punching, and I was like, I think there's something not right. And she just wasn't going fast enough.
Yeah.
That was the whole thing.
no
And then she
pedal
goes,
to the metal,
oh, I didn't know I wasn't here this morning. I'm like, oh my God, and you got all this done already? Am I right? Didn't she? Yeah, she's a quick study. Very good. Sylvia, it's a pleasure having you in class.
Yes, thank you, Christopher.
Thank you. I'll
I've
see you
enjoyed
tomorrow.
your book.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
And will you be here tomorrow?
Yes.
All right.
I will.
All right. Are you having fun?
I am.
And you are Delane?
I am Delane.
From?
Escondido in Wyoming. And half the year in Wyoming, half the year here.
Well, that's nice. You're like a snowbird, huh?
I am.
take advantage of all this fun stuff here.
I'll look at the screen. So tell me, what did you learn today?
Oh, let's see. I learned about punching and about metallic threads, relaxing when I sew, putting on some music, and